Welcome back, and I had another great deal with USPSA shooter Chris and Kevin. And this drill, as you've seen it before, is called chaos. But these guys being a USPSA shooters, we decided to make it even more difficult. So first, with your strong hand from the waist, double tap 3 yards, 5 yards, extend your hand, and double tap 15 yards, and you have to hit everything in alpha. And after that, we have to shoot on the move, double tapping 5 steers, but in between, we have a paper target, and the alpha zone just shrunk by half. And you have to hit both in the alpha, and this is all shooting on the move. And after this, we have to shoot Texas Star, and then hit the activator, and hit 5 hits on the sliding target. And each miss is 5-second penalty. Man, I gotta tell you, I was doing so well until the sliding target got stuck. And I lost about 4 seconds on that. But what do? You can't have everything perfect. And again, we don't have time for do-overs, so take a look.
Okay, if you are finished, unload and show clear. If you are clear, hammer down and holster. Range is clear.
한 발 놓친 것 같아.
Time 26:22.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, you did miss one.
I missed one.
So
The
you
first one I missed.
Okay, so
First one I probably shot here.
so we're gonna say 1 miss, 5-second penalty. So we just gonna add 5 more seconds to it.
Ready. Stand by. If you're finished, unloading, show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Time 27:14.
We got 1 miss. So there's 5-second penalty.
5-second penalty.
Oh,
That's good.
that's good.
That's good. He shot on the move as well. 2 alpha. That's 2 alpha on the move.
All looks good.
And the last. He shot 8 rounds, I think. There's 1, 2, 3, 4.
So another 5-second penalty. So
10 second penalty.
That's not bad.
10-second penalty with 27:14, so 37:14. Stand by. Hey, ready. Stand by.
아, 그 바퀴에 걸렸구나.
1, 2, 3, 4.
오케이. 야, 하나 펜트 받을게. I think that's fair.
That was 31:14.
31-14. All hit. All hit. All hit. Hit. All hit. So only 5-second penalty. So
36:14.
36-14. Okay, I take it. Again, this is a great practice, and this will also be part of August 26th class. See ya.